In this episode, we're making healthy, low-calorie black sesame lava mooncakes. It has no sugar, no oil, and no flour. The exterior is made with tofu, compared to the viral healthy version that uses psyllium husk, which I tested in another episode. This one is 1,000 times better. Now, if you're ready, let's get started. First, let's prepare the lava filling. In a shallow container, add black sesame paste. I'm using the homemade paste from the previous episode. Or grab a store-bought one. Just make sure it's made with only black sesame seeds. For every cup of black sesame paste, add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, or adjust to your taste. Mix gently. Then smooth the top with a spoon. This is just for fun, but a little wiggle smooths it out and removes the bubble. Then freeze the lava filling. Next, we'll prepare the black sesame mung bean filling. You'll need 200 grams of mung beans, washed and rinsed. Add the mung beans to a rice cooker. Pour in 1 3/4 to 2 cups of water and hit the white rice function. Once cooked, it should mash easily with your fingers. Add 1 cup of cooked mung beans to the blender, or just mash and mix with a spatula or spoon. Add 3 tablespoons of homemade black sesame paste, also made from the last episode, into the blender. Then add a pinch of salt and 1½ tablespoons of maple syrup, 5 tablespoons of soy milk. Blend until smooth, and this is the consistency that we're looking for. Smooth, thick, and velvety. Soft enough to scoop, but it holds its shape. Chill in the fridge, then grab the lava filling for the next step. Scoop the filling and let it curl into the spoon, letting it roll into a little ball. Then mold it with your hands to form a perfectly shaped ball. We'll need a few of these. Now let them chill in the freezer again. Time to make the skin with my secret weapon, tofu. Grab 175 grams of firm tofu. With the firm tofu, I trim off a thin slice of the tofu's exterior. It's a bit tough. The texture of the skin or any mochi-like product depends on the texture of the tofu. The firmer the tofu, the chewier the result. Pop the tofu into the food processor. Now add 1/4 cup potato starch and 1½ tablespoons maple syrup. Then add 3 tablespoons of black sesame paste. I'm using my homemade one from my last episode. Then blend until well incorporated. Transfer the mixture into a microwave-safe mixing bowl. Now cover with cling film and poke a few holes with a toothpick. Then microwave for 1½ minutes. Remove the cling film and give the mixture a good stir. By the way, if you want to receive notifications for all my videos, make sure you change the setting from personalized to all after you've subscribed. Otherwise, you'll only get selected ones. Then pop it into the microwave again for 1 minute. You know the drill, give it a good stir. Pounce it, knead it, do whatever you need to do to get it smooth and stretchy.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yes, be careful, don't burn yourself. Now I'm just kneading it a little bit and rolling it into a long rope. Now cut it into equal pieces. The size depends on your mold. Then roll each piece into a ball. Then flatten each piece into a disc and shape it into a circle with your hands. Then use a rolling pin to flatten it into a thin disc. Stack the skins with cling film in between to keep them from drying out. Now grab the mung bean and black sesame lava fillings from the fridge. Take a chunk of the mung bean filling and shape it into a ball. Again, the size depends on your mold. Then flatten it into a circular disc. Then place a piece of the lava filling in the center of the disc. Wrap it up and shape it into a ball. Then wrap the ball with the skin. If there's excess skin, don't worry, we'll trim it off with scissors. Place the ball into a mooncake mold. Set the mold with the smooth side up. On a lightly dusted surface, press the springy handle and remove any excess skin without releasing the handle. Then press it lightly again and lift up the mold and push the handle again to release the mooncake. And there you go, a healthy, delicious, rich and creamy black sesame mooncake is ready to enjoy. The exterior is soft and chewy with a delicate mochi-like texture that gives just the right amount of bite. Inside, the mung bean filling is smooth, creamy, and velvety, perfectly complementing the molten black sesame lava at the center, which is rich, nutty, and indulgent, oozing with flavor as you take each bite.
And that's a wrap, everybody. I'm wishing you guys a fantastic Mid-Autumn Festival. 祝大家一个愉快的中秋。那咱们下一次再见喽，拜拜。And if you've enjoyed today's video, I'm sure you'll also enjoy these videos here. And I will see you guys next time.